Hey, it's Rob, the Ignorant Entrepreneur, and today I'm going to be giving you the complete guide to minting NFTs. So the first thing that this video is going to do, which every other video does wrong, is I'm going to explain what minting is. Minting basically refers to the process of turning digital art into a part of the Ethereum blockchain as a public ledger. This means the digital art would be tamper-proof and immune to any modifications, just like the process of creating coins through minting. The addition of NFTs to a blockchain is known as minting. Okay, now here's how you can go about minting them. Now it's crucial to note that each NFT marketplace has a slightly different method, so for the sake of simplicity, let's just focus on OpenSea, which of course is supposed to be the largest NFT marketplace around. Now, step number one, you gotta connect your wallet. To get started, you'll first need to open and connect a crypto wallet to the NFT marketplace. On OpenSea, click either the wallet icon or create button in the top right corner to get started. Other marketplaces will use a similar prompt to connect your wallet and create a profile. Depending on the wallet you're using, such as MetaMask or Coinbase wallet, and the device you're working from, desktop or mobile, you'll be asked to either connect your wallet using a QR code scanner on your smartphone or download your wallet onto your computer. Once complete, your crypto wallet is connected and your market profile created. Be sure to complete your profile. Tell the NFT world about yourself, insert links to your website, social media pages, and specify which cryptos you'll accept as payment when someone purchases your NFTs. Second, you want to create your first item. From the homepage of the marketplace, click the create button in the upper right corner. From there, you'll be prompted to upload a digital file and give your NFT a name. Optional fields include a description for your work, an external link to more info like your website, and which blockchain to base the NFT on, like Ethereum or Ethereum-based protocol Polygon. This is also where you can set up much of how you'll be paid in royalties if your NFT gets sold again later on. 5% to 10% of the secondary sale price is considered a standard royalty payout. You'll click complete, and your first NFT has now been minted. Number three, you'll want to make sure your wallet is funded. Selling an NFT and recording that transaction has taken place between the two parties on a blockchain requires the network to do some computing. That transaction will cost some money, which is known as a gas fee. To complete your first sale, make sure you purchase some Ethereum or another crypto you plan on using on a crypto trading app and deposit it into your wallet. Depending on that marketplace, you can then transfer the crypto from your wallet to your NFT marketplace account. Some marketplaces like OpenSea allow you to purchase crypto directly from your marketplace profile by setting up a payment method such as a credit card. If you are unsure how much crypto you will need to buy, it will be automatically calculated for you in the next step. Which brings us to number four, list your NFT for sale. Once you've minted your NFT, you're ready to sell it on the open market. Click the sell button in the upper right corner within your NFT's description page. Now's the time to specify the details on your sale. Pick the type of sale, a fixed price based on your cryptocurrency of choice, or a timed auction. Remember that on OpenSea, you can set the royalty payouts for ongoing passive monetization of your work over time on step 2, but other marketplaces might make that option at this stage. The marketplace will also disclose any related fees for selling. On OpenSea, the service fee, the price for handling the listing, is 2.5% of the NFT's selling price. Next, click on Complete Listing. The marketplace will calculate the gas fees based on the cryptocurrency's network activity level at that time of the listing and request payment from your crypto wallet. Now, this can be anywhere from, $50, $60 to hundreds, maybe even sometimes thousands of dollars. So be on the lookout for that. It just might not be the time. Once the gas fees are paid and you approve the final terms, your NFT will list on the marketplace as available for purchase. Number 5, we reach manage your NFT business. Once your NFT is created and listed for sale, it's time to start engaging with your potential patrons. It's time to start engaging with your community. You can also create more NFTs and make them part of a collection, which might attract an art collector or speculator attention. NFTs created on one marketplace can also be transferred and sold on different ones, although fees for doing so might be involved. Like any online activity, interacting with users and collectors on the NFT marketplace builds rapport, which can help you build your new NFT business. Monitor activity on your creations, look for feedback, and keep creating more work for digital collectors to purchase. Now, I know there are a lot of these reports with digital creators not really spending too long, maybe a month or two on building their community, making big money from creating NFTs. But bear in mind that it's still very much in the early days of this movement. The online creator economy was an early adapter of the NFTs, and the ability to passively monetize work long after the original sale could be a real game changer for artists, musicians, and content producers, video game developers, whatever. However, minting and selling NFTs shouldn't be viewed as a get-rich-quick scheme. It will require some upfront costs to sell your digital assets in this fashion, and there's no guarantee anyone will be willing to purchase your work. And even beyond that, people are investing in the NFTs because they believe in the future, whether that's a space on the metaverse or some other promise that they're making. These are perhaps 5, 10, maybe even 20, 50-year commitments. Turning your digital labor into a blockchain-based asset is nevertheless a promising field and one that could eventually completely reshape the way creators get paid. If you're an artist or digital entrepreneur, the NFT world is certainly worth exploring. Let me know what you guys think about this tutorial, minting that easy on OpenSea. I could definitely talk about others in more detail. Let me know what you think again in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been The Ignorant Entrepreneur. I'm out.